Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Shuffle. Let's begin. Okay, so first thing that you want to do is you need to go to the Shuffle website, so help.shuffle.com. And then once you reach this website, you're going to scroll all the way down. And then under the heading which says deposits, look for something which says making a deposit on Shuffle. Then you're going to go to the right side here and you're going to click on the arrow pointing to the right. Now it says making a deposit on Shuffle. To deposit, you will be required to complete email verification and level 1 verification. So once you reach the deposit tab, you're going to select your currency and then you're going to enter your Shuffle address over here. And then you're going to be given a QR code which you can scan. Then it says your deposit must be sent on the Ethereum ERC20 network to be processed. Now it says you can select the type of cryptocurrency to deposit. Please ensure to review which chain your wallet belongs to. Shuffle will not be able to retrieve erroneous deposits. Then if you scroll down again, it says, for XRP and TON deposits, please ensure to enter the correct destination tag or your funds may be lost. So Shuffle does not take responsibility for any losses due to an incorrect or missing destination tag on your XRP or TON deposits. Now, if you use the XRP address, it'll tell you that your deposit must be sent on the XRP network to be processed. And then you will be given your destination tag in which you can copy. And then it'll tell you your destination tag must be included, otherwise your funds will be lost. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.